And a very warm welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame. On the menu today, a sensational starter or snack. Tomato and sardine crostata, a pizza in pastry. It's simple to make using ready rolled puff pastry and tin sardines, but I'm making a rich tomato sauce from scratch. So over to the kitchen. I have 300 grams of ripe cherry tomatoes which are going into my Magimix food processor. Lid on and blitz. In no time at all, we have a smooth tomato pulp. Now, thinly slice 1 clove of garlic. To a pan, add a glug of olive oil, about 1 tablespoon. Add the sliced garlic to the hot pan. After 30 seconds, add the blitzed tomato pulp and cook for 2 minutes. Now add 300 grams of passata. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 15 minutes until the sauce has reduced by half and thickened. Set aside to cool and season with salt and pepper. Outside, I'm firing up my Weber Q and setting it up for indirect cooking with a heat shield and grid. The temperature needs to come up to 200 degrees C. Back in the kitchen, I'm opening 2 tins of sardines in oil and placing them into a bowl. I'm just snipping some oregano and parsley, and that's added to the fish. I'm cutting the pastry into a disc, for no other reason than I wanted it that shape. You can just as easily use the pastry unrolled from the box. On a parchment-lined baking tray, I'm painting the pastry with beaten egg. My Weber Q is now up to temperature. On goes the pastry. This needs to be cooked through, which should take 15 minutes or so. As you can see, the pastry is well risen. With the rest of the ingredients from the kitchen, it's time to gently flatten the pastry with your hands. Liberally coat the pastry with tomato sauce, leaving a gap at the edges. Arrange the sardines on the disc. Sprinkle with parsley and dot with drained capers in vinegar. It's back onto the barbecue and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. More seasoning with salt and pepper and continue to cook. And there it is, tomato and sardine crostata. One sensational starter or snack, and I promise you it is tasty. tell you that dish was ding dong delicious. If there's anything you'd need to know about it, or indeed cooking on the Weber Q, all you have to do is click that button, activate and ding the bell, and leave your question in the comments box below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Now, here's the recipe recap. Well, that is one tasty dish. Now, much of the gear I have used in this video I've reviewed on my other channel, Willie Film It. Check it out. All the reviews are my own honest opinion. Believe me, I will tell you if anything is rubbish. If you've enjoyed this video, then give us a thumbs up. Well, that's all for now. So it's goodbye from me, the old geezer at the grill, the dude with the food. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.